So guys, welcome back to the screen of my phone. You all know that I love using the screen of my phone to record videos because I create videos about how you can make money online using your mobile phone, as mobile phone is what you go around with all the time. So if you're seeing this video for the first time, please do well to like this video, share and subscribe. And if there's someone out there that you think that you can help to enhance their life, try to help them make money online, you can share this video with them. And if you're a returning subscriber, as usual, we'll love you and we'll keep loving you. So without wasting much of our time, let's just head straight into this video. Now, the first thing you have to do is to open your Chrome browser. So once you open your Chrome browser here, you have to open a new tab. So once you open a new tab, you type in a website called Web Novel. So the reason why I do a lot of research is so that you won't have to do any research. Now, Web Novel is actually a website that is actually meant for ghostwriters, for you to sell out your book. Now, ghostwriting, like I have earlier explained, just because I have a lot of writers on this platform, I decided to go in depth with the most trending type of writing, which is ghostwriting. Now, ghostwriting is you writing a particular book, you understand, and selling it off without owning it. You understand? Once you sell your book off, you do not have the right to own that book anymore. Now, that is why it is called ghostwriting, because ghostwriting, once you sell it off, you are a ghost already. What I mean by your ghost already, it means that people do not know you. It is only the person that is selling the book to them, or the person that bought the book from you, that people know. Now, this particular website I am about to show you, let's just know how much they pay. They pay you $200 minimum in a month. That is the guarantee. So you make it between $60 to $200 in a month. And when you calculate $200 here in Nigeria, that is about, let's just say, 220,000 naira currently. So without wasting much of our time, you will type in Web Novel. So once you type in Web Novel is spelled as WEBNOVEL, which is Web Novel. So once you type it in, the first thing you need to do is to click on the first link you see. So you click on the first link you see, and here, right here, you have to tell them the type of novel that you love to read. Now, you'll be visiting this website as a reader, just so you will have the idea. Just so you have the idea of what you want to write, or the type of novels that are trending that you can actually write about. So this is all you have. You have something like the doctors 3-in-1. You have to how to keep something. You have how everyone wants to. Just take a look at the type of novel you want, click on it, and just see what they are writing about, and see the particular number of chapters that they have. Now, please take notes. We are coming to this platform as newbies, so we are looking towards the older trending authors on this particular website, authors that are actually making it. Now, this particular novel has 255 chapters, which is quite fantastic and okay. So you read about the story, which is actually the synopsis. You read about it and thereabout. You read the chapter 1. You can take a screenshot of the chapter 1 in case you do not know how to write. This is what you will send to your writer, and please crop everything about this particular website so that your writer will not know that you actually want to sell it out as well. So they will just think like they're writing for you. You understand? Chapter 1, you take a look at it, just have an idea of what the chapter is saying. Now, once you have an idea of what the chapter is saying, you choose a niche. Well, I would advise you choose the romance and the childhood or Cinderella niche. You choose romance and the childhood or Cinderella niche. Now, you have to come to where this profile is. Once you click on it, now, for you to know that this particular website is paying, this is where it says earn rewards, but that's not where we are going now. But if you want us to click, let's just click this earn rewards. Now, these are the type of rewards that you'll be earning. The check-in rewards, as long as you keep updating your story. They invite a new friend reward, which is the referral reward, and the vote for Power Stone reward. But that is, by the way, you click on sign in here, and their payment method, before you say, Kemi, you're just giving us this website, there is no payment method. The payment method is PayPal. Now, if you do not have a PayPal account, you can reach out to me. We help you to create a PayPal account. It is not free, but it is not so expensive. You understand? It's just averagely okay, the pricing. You can as well use Payoneer. I think this particular website accepts Payoneer as well. So you click on create account. Once you click on create account, you allow it to load, and you can click on continue with Google or create it with Facebook or anything. You understand? Once you click on create it with Facebook, you can choose any of your Gmail accounts that you want to create that particular account with. So once you click on that, they'll use your Gmail details to actually create the account for you. You understand? Once you just click on your Gmail, any of the Gmail you provide, they'll use the details to create the account for you. acts.webnovel.com. It says write novels, get paid. This is where we are going to, the payment area. Now, once you are on the payment area, the first thing you'll be seeing are the benefits, what you're expected to earn. You understand? The things you'll be earning on the payment area. So the first thing are the contract and the benefits. We have royalty contract. Yours is yours. It means author signs a royalty contract with web novel. Authors will share the revenue earned from subscriptions on their website. So this one is for those of us that have website. Those of you that don't have website, no problem. And if you know that you cannot write, you are not a ghostwriter, relax, because by the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you a particular website where you can get a writer for a super cheap and affordable price. Now, it is a guaranteed system that you'll be getting paid. The next thing is the minimal guarantee system. Now, on this particular website, you cannot be paid below $200 on this particular website. It is not done. They don't even accept it. Anything below $200, they don't accept it, and that is one of the best pricing. Now, the next thing you have here, when you go down, are the examples of how you can apply. Please take your time to read all these things, because I might not be able to read them all because of the time. You understand? Once you're done reading them, you check the LOA and everything. You check the privileges, the privileges that you receive on this particular website. Once you're able to check it, the next thing you have to do is to click on start to write now. This start to write now means that you want to upload your first novel. Now, remember that we do not have a novel, so we need to get a novel. But before you get a novel, since you've signed up on their main website, you automatically have a dashboard, a workspace, an income tab, a promote tab. Confirm that what you're writing is global, or what you want to do is your hometown is global. It means your hometown is remote. So now, since I have signed up already, they to automatically integrate each other. Now you click on this create new. You input your topic, your sub niche, your category. I will always advise you go in with romance novel. On my other video, I made mention of Writers Gig. Now, some of you will particularly know Writers Gig, and some would actually not know. But Writers Gig is actually a platform where you can get writers for super affordable, cheap prices. Click on this plus sign and type in Writers Gig. And Writers Gig, this is by far one of the most cheapest writing platform I have seen. So you type in ghostwriting. So once you type in ghostwriting, you see a lot of affordable freelancers that can actually, that you can actually pay. This first one is starting at a bidding price of 10,000. This one 20,000. This one 5,000. The more you scroll down, the more you see the lesser prices. So you can actually choose one, because there are a lot of people on this online platform that needs job. Now, some of them do not know the platform I'm sharing with you here right now. That is why they are not on those platforms, and that's why they are quite affordable on this platform, because this platform has a lot of Nigerians on it. You understand? So you just think of it and choose the best writer that you want and pay them. So once you pay them, you have to add straight back to web novel. So that's why I'm asking you to minimize it so that it will be easily accessible for you once you're coming back. So you have to add down here again, and once you discuss with your writer on Writer's Gig, you get the novel and you pay them maybe like 3,000. You pay them and come and upload it here. So once you upload it here, people will start reading it and you start getting commissions even before you get the main contracts. So that's how you can make money on web novel. And this website I'm sharing with you are 100% legit, like no cap. They're 100% legit. So guys, let me know. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? With all this my research and stress, you still no go subscribe, because subscribe help your girl. So guys, let me know if you're going to sign up on this website, if you try it out, or if you've heard it from somewhere else, or you feel the website is good. Please let me know. State it in the comment section. Like and share this video, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.